In this video, I'll be covering question 4, part B from the 2012 AP Calculus AB Free Response No Calculator Allowed portion of the exam. I cover parts A, B, C, and D all in their own individual videos, so if you want to see those other solutions, please check out my other videos. So diving into part B here, part B wants us to write the equation for a line tangent to the graph of f at the point x equals -3. Whenever you need to find the equation of a line, the equation of a tangent line is the same as what you did in an algebra class. You're going to use your point slope form. So y equals m times x minus x1 plus y1. I go ahead and memorize the point slope form with this y1 already over on the other side because that's where you're going to want to move it anyways. And so it saves me a step of algebra, which is always just one more place that I could end up doing something silly on a test. So test brain never quite functions the same way as normal brain, right? Then to find our pieces here, the slope is always going to come from the derivative value. Derivatives give us slopes, so we'll find our m using our slope, and the point off of here is going to come from our original function. So what we need to do is we need to go find those two values. So I need to find out what does f of -3 equal. Well, they've given us our equation here for what f of x is equal to. So I'm just going to take and I'm going to plug -3 in for x into that equation. So instead of x squared, I'll have -3 squared. That's going to give me the square root of 25 minus 9, which is the square root of 16, or 4. So what we know is that f of -3 is equal to 4. That'll be our x1, and that is our y1 right there. Now we need to go find our derivative. Well, the one thing you would have wanted to watch video A on was to find out what the derivative is. We now already have the derivative. I'm going to grab that from the previous work. If you want to see the full rundown of how to find the derivative, please just go back and check out video A. The derivative that we found on A was the derivative is equal to -x over the square root of 25 minus x squared. And now we just need to take and plug -3 into that. So we're going to get -3 over the square root of 25 minus -3 squared. So up on top, negative on that is going to give us a +3. On the bottom, we're going to end up with the same square root of 16, or 4. And so this is now our slope, our m. And we can put all of this together for our final answer for our equation of our tangent line following our point slope form. So y equals m, which is 3 over 4 times x minus x1, which is -3, plus y1, which is 4. And then you could clean that up just a little bit. You don't got to do a whole bunch of work, but I would turn that negative on the inside there into a positive. And that would end up being our final answer for our equation of the tangent line. So we would have gotten out 1 point on this for getting our slope correct, and then we would have gotten out a 2nd point on here for putting it all together for the equation of the tangent line. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.